Why Puerta Azul? Puerta Azul is an exclusive boutique project that is being developed by Grupo R4 and designed by Artigas Architects, one of the most renowned architecture firms in Mexico. The location is ideal as it is located within Lumzama in Tulum, very close to the beach, the archaeological sites, and easy access to both the hotel zone and Tulum town. Puerta Azul has an agreement with Kai Beach Club, so owners and guests will be able to have access to the beach. 3 advantages to Puerta Azul. All apartment units have their own private pool and lock-off system, which allows owners to use their property but also generate a rental income at the same time. Because of the location, Puerta Azul offers a high ROI to property owners. The use of hardwood and local materials require very little maintenance.